Hey everyone, Yusuf from Airstack here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily recommend your users trending casts within a specific channel using the Airstack API within just a few minutes. So to get started, we already have this dedicated TrendingCasts API right here. And from here, it's very easy. We already have the inputs right here, and then below here, we already have the outputs. And to get the trending cast within a specific channels, you just need to select this filter right here and then specify the root parent URL. And the root parent URL here will only take the channel URL of the specific channel that you are inquiring for. So in this case, I'm going to provide the channel URL. So in this case, I'm just going to provide the fcdefs. If you don't know what the channel URL is, then you can check out another video that we have on how to do that. Link will be in the description below. Otherwise, once you have the filter provided right there, you can also specify other uh, inputs such as the criteria. So how are we gonna evaluate on the whether a cast is trending or not? We recommend using the social capital value right here. We also have another video regarding social capital value, so make sure to check that out as well in the description. Once we have that, we can set the time frame to 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours to the longest one, which is like 7 days. And essentially, this time frame is searching for trending casts within the last 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, and the longest one is the last 1 week. So in this case, I'll just use 1 hour right there. And for the limit, I'll choose 200 in here, which is the maximum. You can set it from number from 1 to 200, depending on how much cash you want to get per request. Once we have that, we can choose the output field that we want to get through our application. So in this case, for example, I want to get like the cast details that is trending. So in this case, I can get, for example, like the tags, or maybe I want to get like the number of replies, recasts, likes, mentions, hash, embeds if you wanna, and like cast a timestamp depending on what you want. And there's a bunch more others as well. And from there, we can also know the criteria count. The criteria count in this case is going to be the value of the social capital value in this case, because we choose the criteria to be social capital value, and FID is going to be who the caster's FID, and then the cast hash, the root parent URL is essentially basically the same, the channel's URL where the cast exists. And you can also get the social capital value in formatted version and the raw version right down here. And once you have all the output field ready right there, then essentially you can simply run the query very easily just by clicking this red button right here. And there you go. In a moment, it's going to give you all the list of trending casts sorted by social capital value. And this is within the FC Devs channel right there. So hope this video has been helpful. And if you have hope these videos have been helpful. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll answer any of your questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next videos. So cheers.